Hello guys, this is the Spider-Man Airsoft Urs.
It's got a little dirt on it, but I'm gonna eat it.
No. Okay, that's a little nasty. But anyway, oh, never mind, you spit it out.
No,
Anyway,
the dirt went
yes,
down my
there
throat.
was an S on that Airsoft Urs. I will not be changing my name or anything, but Joe is going to
We're gonna partners.
we're gonna partners and he's gonna co-own.
Partners. No culling.
We're gonna have our own Milsim.
In 3 weeks.
Yep.
You want me to tell them about the Milsum?
Carry on.
Milsum, his birthday, May 7th. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Mhm.
Back there. Show him the land. All back in there.
That goes back for like 15 miles.
Yeah. We're gonna make a video. We're gonna hop on the phone. We're gonna give you a survey of the land, and we're gonna call it Land Survey for Spider-Man Airsofters Milsum.
We'll just say Milsim Land Survey.
Sure. But there's gonna be tons of those, dude. You gotta say Spider-Man. At least say Spider-Man Airsoft.
Anyway, we got these Colts from Walmart. If you need a really cheap airsoft gun,
Yeah, they work.
go to Walmart.
They work. I mean, they're not the best.
They're not the best, but
They work.
anyway, you start down there. I start down here.
We're gonna make this short
Popsicle.
round.
What he just said, you probably couldn't hear him, but anyway, he said we're gonna have 2 rounds. If we tie, then we're going to a third. If we don't tie, then whoever is the winner is the winner. You say go! Are you ready? Set! Ready, set, go! I'm gonna go here, guys. Oh, hit! Oh,
Where'd I hit you?
right in the head. I'm out, hit.
I didn't know I hit you. Sorry.
Crap. That one hurt. Right above my eye. Whew.
Last time you got me in the face 3 times. Though.
I thought I saw you, and I got here and I shot too high. The wind picked it up.
I heard it and I turned around and went.
Anyway, you won the first round.
Second round. If you win the second round, then we'll have a third round.
We might do this a little bit longer because that round was really quick.
Yeah, we'll try to stretch this round for you.
Okay, go. I know, get to there. Okay, go to the tree. This is gonna get away with cheating. You can't just start there, mister. Dude, go to the tree. I never said go.
Didn't I
It's not in slow-mo. I was just loading my... Ready, set, go! No! I'm out. Hold on. Let me change my mag.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Not hit!
Got ya. Yeah, right in the chest. I got the footage.
I didn't feel it, okay.
I know. Trust me. I saw it.
Hit, okay. Alright. Second round was a little longer.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna end it here.
No, since we didn't tie, remember? I won, you won. One last match. Then we'll give you that land survey. Just reloading my mag. Just in case I run out again. This one is gonna be... Get back there! This one's gonna be a little bit harder. Because we're gonna be fighting for the win. Doesn't mean we're doing anything. We're just kind of competitive. Joe, get back! Did you say go? Okay. He said go. I heard him. Oh my gosh! Oh, really?
Yeah,
Where at?
right there. Right there, dude.
You want to do one last one? That was quick.
No, I'm gonna give the land survey.
Okay, time for the land survey.
Clean shirt on. We're gonna make the land survey in other episodes.
Crap, that didn't work. Right on my head. My eye. Anyway, guys, this is the Spider-Man Airsofters, Joe Cutterman, and see you guys later.